T-bar that we walked by and we saw and we had to stop and make a video on it. So I'm gonna give it over to Johnny and he's gonna tell you more about the Super T-bar.
All right, so this is our Super T-bar coming out from Gravity. This is currently a prototype. It should be out in a few months, hopefully less. Basically, it's a T-bar. You could have 2 moving heads, 2 pin spots. Your light sits right in it. This stays on your bracket on your light. It pops out, and then when it's on your light, on your bracket, pops right in, you tighten it, and you're set. It's going to be available from Gravity, and we're going to have it right on nlfxpro.com. Yeah.
So again, guys, you can put your moving heads on this. It holds 40 pounds on each side, and this here stays on your bracket. So you're gonna put this on and you can just pop your light right onto the bar. And then you have your solution right here. We have the flat base stand. It's a really clean look and a great solution for something other than totems. So should you have any questions, let me know, write them in the comments, and make sure you hit the subscribe button.